Welcome. In front of me is a Realme Note 50, and today I will show you how we can hard reset this device through settings. So to get started, you will want to open up your settings application, and from there scroll all the way down to System. And here again at the bottom you will find reset options, and then you can select erase all data, factory reset. Again, I'm gonna scroll down. It gives us an info what data will be removed by this process, so I would recommend going through this and seeing if there's anything from this list that you'd like to keep, maybe something like music or photos. If there is, make a backup copy of it to something like your computer, for instance. Now then we can select erase all data. If you have some kind of screen lock, you will need to confirm it right here, so I'm gonna do that. And then you can select erase all data once more. Now that being said, this does require you to confirm your screen lock, and obviously requires you to have access to the device. There usually is an option to reset the device without needing to provide this by going to the recovery mode, but this phone unfortunately has no recovery mode whatsoever, or any other mode that I can find. So resetting it through settings is the only way you can do it. Now with that being said, right now the reset has begun, and it's going to take a couple minutes to finish up on this device. Once that is completed, we should be then presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished, and you can set up your device however you like. Now, that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.